Question number 8 is find the magnitude of two vectors, vector A and vector B, having the same magnitude and such that the angle between them is 60 degree and their scalar product is 1 by 2. Scalar product means dot product. Scalar means dot product. What is the given information in the question number 8? Scalar product is this. Scalar product is 1 by 2. It means A dot B is given 1 by 2. And also if you note that they are telling angle between them is 60 degree. It means theta value is 60 degree. Theta. Also theta given 60 degree. And one more line is mentioned. First line. This here from here. Having the same magnitude. Having the same magnitude. It means vector A and vector B having the equal magnitude. It means mod A equals to mod B. Also what is given? Mod A equals to mod B. Okay. Now you know that cos theta formula. We know that. Cos theta equals to A dot B upon mod A and mod B. Cos theta, cos 60 well, theta is 60, so it is cos 60 equals to A dot B is given 1 by 2. Okay, and mod A mod B equal. Mod A mod B equal. So I can use mod B same as mod A. I can use again mod A here. Okay, cos 60 value 1 by 2. 1 by 2 equals to, and this mod A square, and this it will come here mod A square into 1 by 2. I will not put in equals to 1 by 2. Then 1 by 2 cancel. So mod A square equals to 1. 0. 2 side 0. Then what is mod A? Equals to 1. If mod A is 1, then mod B also 1 because both are equal, which implies mod B is also 1. Answer? Because they are saying find the magnitude of two vectors. I have found A vector magnitude 1, B vector magnitude 1. It means A and B both are unit vectors. Because whenever magnitude is coming 1 unit, it means they are the unit vectors. Solved. 1 and 1. This chapter is very easy. Because everything is given in the question. You have to just understand and apply. Scalar product means A dot B given. Okay. Magnitude same is mod A and mod B equal given. Question number 9. Next. And this also, if you read, it's very easy. Find mod X if for a unit vector, fix it. Sana, sister, Sneha. Open sister. First given thing is mod A equals to 1 because A is unit vector. And also we have X vector minus vector dot product with X vector plus A vector equals to 12. Okay, do. Okay, then multiply dot product component wise. X dot X dot product with the same mod X square. X dot X is what? Mod X square. Okay, then minus. Okay, mod A square. This plus and plus X dot A. Is correct now? Then minus, I am taking A dot X, but A dot X same as X dot A. Okay, let's write A dot X, then cancel. Then minus plus minus, again A dot A. Dot product with the same vector, mod square. So it will be A dot A is mod A whole square equals to 12. Now because this dot product always same, so cancel. Okay, then what we have? Mod X square minus, but this value is 1. Mod A square. So put here 1 square equals to 12. Then what is mod X square? 12 plus 1, 13. Then what is mod X? Root over 30. So it means the length of mod vector magnitude of x is root 30. Answer. Question number 10. The question number 10 is a vector. We have a vector and we have b vector. We have a vector and we have b vector and we have c vector are such that a plus lambda b vector. Okay, a is a one vector, b is one vector. Then this vector a plus lambda b vector is perpendicular to c. And what is the perpendicular condition in scalar product? If vectors are perpendicular, any two vector, it means dot equals to 0. Perpendicular means dot product equals to 0. Then value of lambda. It means they are saying use this condition. A vector plus lambda b vector dot c vector equals to 0 vector. No, not 0, only 0. This such that this vector is perpendicular to c vector. It means if this and this perpendicular, so their dot product is 0. Okay. So before that, I need a plus lambda b value. What is a plus lambda b? No problem. A plus lambda b, just find a plus lambda b. First I will write given a plus lambda b vector dot product with c vector equals to 0. Okay, this is equation 1. I will use this. But before that, I need what is a plus lambda b vector. How to get it? A plus lambda b, I can get it by using this vector a given b vector. So what is a plus lambda b first? A plus lambda b vector. A vector value, put a vector value 2i plus 2j plus 3k, then plus lambda and b vector. B vector value minus i plus 2j plus k. Then can you add these two vectors? Very easy to add. Then component by addition. Okay, so it will be 2 minus lambda I cap. Correct na? 2 minus component by addition. Then plus here 2 and here lambda into 2 plus 2 lambda equals to j vector. Then plus 3 and lambda. 3 plus lambda theta. So this is a plus lambda. Then from equation 1. From equation 1, we have this vector dot c vector equals to 0. What is c vector? C vector is 3i plus j. K is 0. So from equation 1, this value means 2 minus lambda I plus 2 lambda j plus 3 plus lambda k. This dot product with c vector, and c vector is 3i plus j. K is not given, so 0k equals to 0. Correct now? K is not given, it means k scalar component is 0. So dot product means component by multiplication, because I dot I will be 1. So multiply 3 into this, you will get 3 into 2 minus lambda plus 1 into 2 plus 2 lambda plus 0 into 3 plus lambda equals to 0. Now simplification on 6 minus 3 lambda plus 2 plus 2 lambda and plus 0 equals to 0. 2 lambda 6 to 8. 8 minus lambda equals to 0. Then from here, what is lambda? 8. Lambda is 8. Correct. So lambda value is 8. See, whatever is given, I keep on using and automatically answer is solved. Note it. Question number 11. Question number 11. Question number 11. Show that this is one vector. Whatever written, okay. Whatever this is also vector. It's perpendicular to this vector for any two non-zero vectors a and b. Okay. A and B are non-zero vectors, then prove that this vector perpendicular to this vector. How can we prove? If any two vectors perpendicular, any two, then dot product will be zero. It means if we can show this vector dot this vector, zero answer, it means it is proved. Both are perpendicular. To prove, it is mod A and then B vector plus mod B and A vector. Okay, it's dot product with mod A, B vector minus mod B and A vector equals to 0. This we need to prove. Then it will be done. They will be perpendicular. Okay. So take this LHS. Okay. Taking LHS then multiply. Taking LHS then multiply. Now multiply. Multiply again. Mod A B vector, mod A B vector. Mod A B vector, mod A B vector. What is the answer? Mod A 2 times, so mod A square. And then B dot B. B dot B also mod B square. This is how. It is mod A square and mod B square. If you not understood, I can write one more line. Is it okay? Yes or no? Okay. Then this vector multiply this vector, but here plus, here minus is minus. So here mod A B vector and only A vector and mod B vector. What do we get? Let's write 3 lines. Otherwise, write 10 pages. Mod A is square and B dot B. Then minus. It is mod B, na? It is mod A, then mod A, mod B, and dot product always between the vectors. It is B and it is dot A, then B dot A. Correct? Now this is over. Now I will take this element, this dot this, then plus and plus is plus. Okay. Mod B, mod A. Okay, mod B, mod A. Mod B and mod A. Here A vector and dot product with B vector. Okay. Then plus minus minus. Mod B and A dot A. Mod B square and A dot A. Next line. Mod A square and it is mod B square and A mod B mod and B dot A is A dot B because it is commutative. Because I am making same. Next I will cancel all. Then plus mod B mod A, I can write mod A mod B. And A dot B as it is plus, minus mod B square and A dot A is mod A square. So this is mod A square and mod B square. Now you can see this cancel with this and this cancel with this. So all 0. RHS has 4. It implies this given vectors are perpendicular. So number 12. We have A dot A equals to 0 and A dot A means mod A square equals to 0 and this implies mod A equals to 0 and this implies A is a null vector. Which implies A is a null vector. Then A dot B equals to 0 and A is a null vector, it means 0 vector dot B vector equals to 0. Now B can be anything. B vector can be any vector. If ABC are unit vector, immediately I am just one answer. If A vector, B vector, C vector are unit vector, from here what is the conclusion? 13. Given A vector, comma, B vector, comma, C vectors are unit vectors. Unit vectors. It implies that mod A equals to 1, comma, mod B equals to 1, comma, mod C equals to 1. And also given that A plus B plus C is 0 vector. Also given A vector plus B vector plus C vector equals to 0 vector. 0 vector means null vector. 0 vector means null vector. If vector is a null vector, then what is the magnitude of null vector? Mod 0. If this is a 0 vector, it implies mod A plus mod B plus mod C. This is also 0. Okay, once I applied mod, it becomes scalar. So here I put vector symbol, but here not, because mod means scalar. 0. If this is 0, it implies its square also 0. Right now, but 0 square is 0. Then how to open this? Mod A plus mod B plus mod C whole square. So open like this. Again, do you remember A plus B plus C whole square? Formula. A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. But whenever AB, it means multiplication of A and B, then we have dot product. Okay, whenever BC, then we will write B dot C. So this formula is mod A square plus mod B square plus mod C square, then plus 2 AB means A dot B, then 2 A dot B, then plus 2 B dot C, and then plus 2 C dot A, and equals to 0. And already we have mod A is 1, mod B is 1, mod C is 1. It means 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square, 3. And 2 common. If 2 common, then we will have in the bracket A dot B plus B dot C and plus C dot A, and that is required. So what is the answer? Minus 3 by 2. Because 3 going there, minus 3 and 2 common, minus 3 by 2. So this is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 is common, then A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A equals to 0. So from here, A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A equals to minus B by 2. Very easy. Question number 14. 14. If either vector A0 or vector B0, either or, not both together, either A0 or B0, then A dot B0. And this is definitely correct. If one vector 0, then 0 dot any vector 0. Correct? This is correct. But the converse need not be true. Justify your answer with an example. Converse need not be true. Converse means reverse statement. It means they are saying if A dot be 0, then it is not necessary A0 or B0. If A0, A dot be always 0. B0, A dot be always 0. But if A dot be 0, it is not necessary. It is not guaranteed. A dot be 0 means A0 or B0. It means two non-zero vector also can have dot product 0. And it is true because whenever vectors are perpendicular, the dot product is always coming 0. Correct now? So we have to look an example in which A vector is non-zero vector, B vector is non-zero vector, and A dot be coming 0. Yesterday we did not A perpendicular to B, A perpendicular to C, B perpendicular to C. We can give some examples. Let A vector and B vector. I need just dot product 0. So if I write here, suppose 2i, okay, here 3i, 2 into 3 plus 6, okay, plus 6 and 6 and then again 6, 12 and minus 12. So here I can here write 3j, then I will write here 2j, because plus 6, then minus 12 means 1 is plus 4k and here minus 3k. Okay, minus 3k. You can say this is minus 3k, this is 4. Yeah, minus 4k plus 3k, because ultimately we want this 0. Because dot product means the scalar component. Component wise multiplication. So 2 into 3, 6. 3 into 2, 6. And 4 into minus 3, 6. Here, A vector dot B vector. 2i 3j plus 4k vector dot product 3i plus 2j minus 3k vector. It's coming 6 plus 6 minus 12 equals to 0. But A vector is non-zero and B vector is non-zero. So this is the example which they ask. You can have different examples, no problem. You can write this 1 plus 1 minus 2. Then here I minus 2k, I plus k. Therefore 1 into 1, 1 into 1. So many examples possible. B. Next, question number 15. Number 15 is, if the vectors vertices ABC of a triangle are this respectively, it means A vertex 1 to 3, B vertex minus 1 0 0 and C vertex 0 1 2. Then find the angle ABC. Angle ABC. And here hint is given, but we will not give it hint in exam. Find the angle ABC. In general, whatever the middle, if I say I need angle AOC, it means I am talking about angle O. Correct? Na? Whatever is middle, that is called angle. Okay, so I will make here triangle first, then you can see. Triangle. ABC. One vertex is A, one is B, and one is C, respectively. So A means 1 2 3, and B means minus 1 0 0. C means okay AB, and we want angle ABC. Angle ABC. It means ABC. This one. See, in the vectors, when we consider angle we will consider if both the vectors diverging. Diverging converse and trace, divergent trace. Divergent means they will never meet. One is going this side and one is going this side. They will never meet. Means diverse. Converse means they will meet somewhere. That is what conversion. So AB and BC, we want angle A, B, and C. This only. Okay. Now they are saying the angle between the vectors BA and BC. What is BA? This is BA. And what is BC? This is BC. Angle B want na? Angle B. So angle B only considered if both the vectors are diverging. Obviously, this is going this side, this is going this side. They will never meet. Okay, that's why this vector. So for the vector, for the angle between two vector means you need theta. Theta means for the theta, we require cos theta, and cos theta is what? A vector dot B vector upon mod one. Okay, so you will calculate BA vector and BC vector. What is BA vector? What is BA vector? BA vector. And what is BC vector? BA vector means OB minus OA. OB minus OA. OA minus. Oh, sorry. Okay. Then what is the answer? OC minus OB. Here. BA vector. Then 1 OA minus AB. OA vector is I cap plus 2J plus 3 cap. Just like now. That means here I cap plus J cap plus 3 cap. 2J. 2 only written. Minus I cap, 0 J cap and 0 K cap. Okay. Then final. Subtract. 1 minus 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2i. 2i and 2j because 2j minus 0j. Plus 3k. This is your BA vector. This is your BA vector. And BA vector, you can say this is BA vector. Okay. Next, BC vector. BC vector is OC minus OB. OC, when I write OC, it means position vector of C point. Okay. So OC vector is 0i plus j plus 2k. 0i plus 0 plus j plus j and plus 2k. Correct? Minus B vector minus I plus 0j plus 0k. Simplify. Okay. It is 0 minus minus plus 1. So it is plus I. Okay. Plus 1 minus 0 plus 0 plus 2 minus 0 plus 2. Okay. Then what is mod BA? Because we require magnitude. Cos theta equals to dot product upon mod. So what is BA mod? BA mod is root over 2 square 4. 2 square 4 and 3 square 9. What is the answer? 17. 4, 8 into 9, 17. 8 plus 9, 17. Then what is VC vector mod? VC vector mod is root over 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square is 4 root 6. So now writing here angle between AB and BC. So required angle. Okay. So if theta is the angle, then cos theta will be BA vector dot BC vector upon mod BA and mod BC. Put all the values. BA dot BC. This 2i 2j 3k dot I plus j plus 2k. Can I direct or just one more time? Direct. Then see. Okay. 2 into 1. 2. After that 2 into 1 again 2. Then 6. Okay. Upon mod BA value root 17. Root 6 cos theta. Okay. Cos theta equals to 2 to 4. 4 and 6. 10. 10 upon root 7. Root I can combine. Root 17 into root 6. How much? 102. Then theta is cos inverse 10 by root over 102. 1, 2. This is your angle ABC. Okay, this is your angle A, B, and C. If they ask find the angle C, then I need CV vector and CA vector. Dot product. If they ask I need A vector, then a C vector and a B vector. And go ahead. But I will give hint. It's collinear. Collinear vectors. And this 17 I solved already. Okay, previous exercise. So that the vectors form the vertices of a right angle triangle. I solved or not? Last exercise. Three vectors were there and they were forming vertices of a right angle triangle. Here also, suppose this is position vector of A point, this is B point, this is C vector. Then you need to find AB vector plus BC vector plus CA vector. Then length AB, length BC, length CA. Then you will prove that Pythagoras theorem is valid. Whole square. Biggest side whole square equals to square of the sum of the other two. And this point, collinear points, three vectors are collinear points. Three vectors are collinear. It means one is here, one is there, and one is there. ABC. If three vectors are collinear, so many ways to prove. So many ways to prove. I will give hint to try this. Suppose collinear means like this point. Here some A vector, here some B vector, and here some C vector. If they are collinear vector, so one way to prove, you will find AB vector length, and you will find BC vector length, and you will find CA vector length. If they are collinear, it means the length of one vector will be sum of the other two. Either AB equals to BC, mod AB equals to mod BC plus mod CA, or mod BC equals to mod AB plus mod CA, or this mod equals to this mod plus this mod.